Veepa told me once, Chirag, जो cricket है ना, it's a game made to make you fail. आप हर मैच में जाके 100 नहीं मारते, 10 मैच में एक बार 100 मारोगे आप. Sachin Tendulkar, the greatest player in the world, he said 450 times he failed. This is a game you need to know how to take failure. I went to my wife's house. तो ऐसे हम लोग लंच कर रहे थे, मच्छर आया, मैंने कहा ऐसे मारा. My in-laws like यार चिराग very good यार. मैंने कहा क्रिकेट तो खेलता हूँ पर हो तो दिल्ली से. इतनी प्रैक्टिस करिए.
Today we have Chirag Suri with us, guys. What's up, Chirag?
How you doing,
bro?
man? How you doing,
How you
brother?
doing, bro? You good? Yeah.
How you doing, brother?
So
Finally made it, bro.
you made it, bro. I've been asking you since like a couple of weekends to come now, right?
I don't know, bro.
Like he said that we'll speak about the podcast next week because the rains were going on,
Oh yeah.
and then I forgot to message him, and then yeah, this happened today.
It's happened finally.
It's happened, bro.
Finally,
it's happened. Cheers.
Well done.
Bro, so if I had to give an introduction for you, what do you think it would sound like?
I don't know, man. You should do the introduction.
That's what I'm asking you.
You came prepared or no? You asking me to do my own introduction?
Bro, I don't come prepared. This is the thing.
He never come prepared.
The prep is here.
Kya introduction bhi khud karo yaar.
Introduction.
Yes, he is, bro. Okay, so Chirag Suri is a cricketer. He has played the IPL. Have you played the IPL or
Yeah.
you were in the team?
I was in the team.
You were
I
in
was
the
part
team.
of the IPL, yeah.
Fuck,
Gujarat Lions.
sick. Gujarat Lions, IPL, and Bengal.
Bengal Tigers.
Bengal
Bangla
Tigers.
Tigers. Been in quite a few teams, man. Toronto Nationals.
Damn.
Wow.
That's a GT20, right?
GT20. So,
Sick.
been lucky enough to play all over, man. Like,
That's
Yeah.
amazing, bro.
doing what you love.
Doing what you love, and that's the only thing you're doing, is it?
But I tried.
But you're a real estate investor as well, right?
Yeah. So like obviously being in Dubai, you're surrounded by real estate people everywhere. So you sort of jump in. You're like, yaar, hum bhi kuch kar rahe hain, yaar, real estate ka. You know, like har banda kar raha hai, yaar. And touch wood, everybody's making money, everybody's doing well. So I've always had a passion for real estate and buying land and building houses and like designing and like all
You
that.
like to be involved in the entire process.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's like a passion project for me. So like whenever I had time off cricket, I would obviously go to work with my dad, like in the summers and stuff. When bolte chal bhai, or summer at aake seek, like anyway you don't come to work, so make yourself useful. And so that's how that journey started. And keeping myself busy, I guess.
That's fucking sick, bro. And you said that you have a marble business?
Yes.
Actually, you didn't say that. I'm saying it right
Yeah.
Yeah,
मेरी
was it
bio में था. RMF.
What's
yeah.
that like? What's that about?
So we do like marble, granite, tiles, fixtures for like luxury villas, buildings, commercial. We also partners with Kajaria Tiles India in the Middle East. So that's the family business for myself. Yeah.
Fair, dude. And you don't go to work for the family business?
No,
right?
see,
That's like
my brother's already looking at it, and my dad's already involved. And then there's another person. See, my way of working is very different. You understand? Like everybody has their own way of working, and you want to do things your way.
Yeah.
Right? And then if there's too many people like who are dominating, like that's my personality. Because when I get in, I get in.
Yeah.
I don't do like, ada wala system nahi hai. I don't want to do that. I rather stay back because the moment you a little bit involved, like your mind is always on that. So when I was playing cricket, I was completely involved in cricket. I don't want to, and my dad was also like, Chirag, till you're playing, I'll feel younger. So it's fine.
Nice.
So he always gave me
That's
that
fucking
backing.
sick.
That's actually good.
That's a mad way of feeling support from your dad, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Honestly, like he's been such an amazing support. So has my mom, my family. Never ki kaam pe aao, ye nahi karo. Like till I was 17, 18, everybody was focusing on they're applying to this uni, that uni. I was playing under 19 World Cup.
Yeah.
I was already contracted and everything. So things just fell into place so beautifully. Like people talk about their struggles and sacrifices. Yeah, we've all made sacrifices. But I heard Virat say something. But I never struggled to put food on my plate or like struggle to get a meal. वो वाला sacrifice मेरा नहीं था. Like you have to be realistic. But it doesn't mean कि मेरे दूसरे struggle नहीं थे या क्या मेरी fights थी. But yeah, I didn't struggle to put food or I wasn't a pani puri wala son. Like Indian media love that. कि यार इसकी background story हो ये छोटे घर से आया और अब ये see.
But that's what sells, right?
That's what sells.
Underdog stories.
Yeah, that's what sells. But I don't pretend to do that or pretend to be that person.
Yeah.
When I was playing, like it's a humbling thing to know that I would always सब जैसे बैठे हैं, जहाँ जा रहे हैं, हॉस्टल में रह रहे हैं, बोर्डिंग स्कूल जा रहे हैं, wherever we would go, you going with the flow. It's not like यार we're going in economy, I'm business class. I was never that type. मतलब सबसे मतलब नॉर्मल होटल, नॉर्मल गाड़ी, मतलब एसी नहीं, ये वो हर चीज़ देखी है, बट enjoy किया है. We, you know, like you do it because you're loving it. You're with your friends, you're with your teammates. That's the experience, bro. Like if I try to change that or anything, it wouldn't be the same. So I love that for, you know.
But I think your sacrifice would be the time that you put into the cricket, right?
Definitely.
That would affect your social life outside of that world.
I had no friends.
And you don't have that.
I didn't have no friends till like 15, 16, 17 years old. All I did was, yeah, I was like a big chubby kid in school, like, you know, like cricket. My
Playing those
identity,
cut shots
my
and
respect, everything was cricket.
Yeah.
Cricket nahi to yaar, who's Chirag, you know, that was the thing.
Yeah.
Even like we would go out and, you know, they would say, oh, you know, to my dad, oh, your son that plays cricket. That was my identity.
Yeah.
And then slowly later on became very proud moment. They used to say, that's Chirag's dad. That's how they used to introduce him. So those are the kind of moments that you work for, and, you know, like that's the satisfying thing. Yeah.
Wow. And now you also said that you got into, like, you build everything over here, so which is also your passion project, like real estate.
I love to do things I love, yeah.
Yeah. So this projects and all, like, you just build it and you sell it, or is it like
see you basically
rent it?
add value. I don't do rentals and all these kind of things. Like, I know we're going into a little bit more the real estate, but I've been like buying lands, buying old houses, renovating them. So all the materials which I use are obviously in-house. Marble apna hai, timber apna, tile apni, sanitary ware. So I can control the quality. So when you can control the quality, you give a good product to the customer. And timelines, yaar, I'll be like, yaar, mera project hai. I'll tell my brother, bhai, mera project pe, you know, dhyan de thoda, bande badha le, kaam khatam kar le. So I can control it. So that's the benefit of having the in-house facility. We do everything in-house.
Nice.
So when I'm building as well, I don't do like big buildings and all that. See, there's such big players that you can't compete with them.
Yeah.
You know, the Imars, the Danube, Nakils, you can't compete with them. I make luxury villas.
Nice.
You found your own niche. Right?
Yeah, I've just built like 1-2 villas in 1-2 years.
Nice. So you
And
like
that's it.
buy a plot, build a villa,
That's
sell
it. Build a villa or buy like an old house, completely do it up.
How long does it take? For
1 year to 2 years.
One house will take 1 year, 2 years.
Depending on
even if it's
kitna
in-house.
kaam hai. Yeah. See, designs, approvals, etc. So it depends on how, like, is it a gut renovation? Is it a full tear down? Is it a plot? You know, depending on that, the timelines vary. But I think it's a great market to do it, because what happens is the buyers who I work with or the investors who I work with, they essentially want to come in with their bags. Unko mehnat nahi karni.
How many cricketers are these that you're referring to?
No, there are a few cricketers. And look, Dubai has become home to everybody.
Yeah.
Like, I am the biggest advocate for this. Like, I love promoting Dubai. Matlab, if you see me in a dinner, I love Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Matlab, karna hi hai. Yeah, this is our city. It's given us everything. We owe this much to them.
Yeah.
We owe this much. Even when we started the journey,
Yeah.
you know, from school and everything, when we came about 20 years ago, well, yeah, nobody knew us, nothing. We came from, you know, whatever. That didn't matter. This city, this country has given us everything. So this is the least I can do
Is give back. And
a little bit give back. Yeah.
That's your way of doing
How
it.
did it feel to represent UAE internationally?
Amazing.
And being of like an Indian origin, like, does it make a difference? Like, that's something very interesting to me.
Yeah.
See, अभी मैंने इंडिया की जर्सी पहनी है. सही है.
वर्ल्ड कप देखो, वर्ल्ड कप में अब यूएई नहीं है तो हम इंडिया को ही सपोर्ट करेंगे.
So, इंडिया पहले आएगा या यूएई पहले आएगा?
नहीं, see, when I was playing, it was always UAE. It's very simple. When you're playing for your team. This is it. You're getting an opportunity. शायद मैं इंडिया होता तो, you know, I've said it before, I don't think I would have been able to play international cricket. I've got ODI hundreds. You know, I've played like 70, 80 international matches, T20s. I've played in a T20 World Cup.
Yeah.
I want to be optimistic, but I don't think I would have had these achievements if I was in India.
So you think that
I'm very practical about the things. There's a billion people in India, bhai. There's vying for those 12, 13 spots. चल, शायद मैं IPL और खेल लेता 2-3 साल, हर चीज़. But India खेलना, and the talent you see, मतलब it's not easy. मतलब बाहर से बड़ा easy लगता है, उसने ऐसा shot मार दिया, oh, he's hit that out. It's not that easy.
no, it's difficult, man.
It's crazy, man. The
Like in-
skill, the heart the guys have, it's
Like in India, the level is completely different, bro.
Yeah.
Like from the grassroots itself, everything is just tailored for you to like play cricket. Like on every level, like
Every level, yeah. खून में लोग, even my journey started from India. That was my advantage. You know, I came in the house of all cousins who were elder to me. वो team में नहीं लेते थे, last pick करते थे मुझे
So
फिर.
you were the 12th man.
12th man, water boy, extra,
I
fit
was
in.
that, bro.
So then you're like, नहीं यार, सबसे पहला pick तो मेरे को ही होना है. That's
how you start, right?
That's
Like,
how it starts. So that's that fighting spirit, that competition, that was in me always. That I
That's
was
a
like,
sportsman spirit, right?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
it is what it is. Like,
Yeah.
if there is aggression,
I wanna
during the
do it.
sport, it will help you probably, I think.
You need to have that mentality, man.
What's the mentality like?
Yeah, that's
mentality, bro. Like I've seen throughout my career, I've always been, you know, UVPA told me once, Chirag, जो cricket है ना, it's a game made to make you fail. आप हर मैच में जाके 100 नहीं मारते, 10 मैच में एक बार 100 मारोगे आप. सचिन तेंदुलकर, द ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, he said in 500 matches is 50 hundreds na. So 450 times he failed. So this is a game you need to know how to take failure.
Whoa.
yeah.
If you know how to react to failure, downs, you can play cricket. It's not for the faint-hearted, this game. इसमें इतने ups and downs, इतने होते हैं. You can't have a small heart. It made me have a big heart. Made me know how to deal with people on a regular basis. How to manage myself. How to
Because you have to be like mentally and physically fit.
Yeah.
Because
you have to.
because like I think like as a sportsman, if you're like so engrossed and involved in what you're doing and you end up losing.
Yeah.
After putting
Yeah,
that much
heartbreak.
effort,
People,
it's a fucking
yeah.
heartbreak.
Go into
Heartbreak
depression,
is, of
man.
course, honestly, like we don't talk about it much, yaar. It's like a stereotype. Depression, वगैरह हम लोग, we hear these words and we say, oh, yaar. But trust me, in a cricketer's journey, he doesn't even know. But 50% of the players are depressed.
Bro, who is that? Ben Stokes.
Ben
He
Stokes.
took.
अभी Maxwell यार, अभी Maxwell कहता है I need a break. See, some people are okay to say it. एशिया में आप इंडिया जाओ, पाकिस्तान जाओ, श्रीलंका. You think people are listening to these things? Oh, I need a mental break. कहेंगे चल बेटा चल निकल.
Yeah.
Like, भाई चुप हो जा.
चुप हो जा, चल निकल वापस बैठ कर, चल जल्दी पैक करके मैच है. You can't do these things, यार. This is the stigma.
Bro, in India, mental health is taken बहुत हल्के में.
हाँ.
Yeah,
People बहुत ज़्यादा हल्के में ले लेते हैं.
Now people are talking about it, like, but there's a big, like, you need someone to talk to, bro. In some instances, कभी आप drop हो गए, भाई आप अकेले बैठे हो वहाँ पे ग्राउंड पे जा रहे हो बस में, कोई आपको देख नहीं रहा, people are looking at you like, bro, if you're doing well, people's way of looking at you
Is different. I've seen this.
Bro, that's just in
Noticed.
life. तो cricket
That's
की बात कर रहे हैं,
life.
ये तो life
That's
में है
life.
भाई.
When you're
जो
doing
बंदा अब आपका अच्छा टाइम चल रहा हो, आपको हर बंदा हेलो हाय, अच्छा टाइम नहीं हो ना, बंदा बस में जा रहा है, प्लेयर आपका टीममेट ही है वो सीधा जा रहा है, आपका कोच भी आपको हेलो नहीं कर रहा, बताओ.
But why does that happen?
But that's human nature, bro.
Yeah, just because you're not playing in the first 11 doesn't mean like. But there has to be a sort of a team spirit, like to keep your.
घंटा टीम स्पिरिट. इसमें क्रिकेट इज अ टीम गेम बट इंडिविजुअली प्लेड. जब आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो, आपका टीममेट थोड़ी आपको पकड़ रहा है.
True.
आपका बैट थोड़ी पकड़, वो तो आप नहीं करना है. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंडिविजुअल गेम प्लेड इन अ टीम एनवायरनमेंट.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So you need damn crazy skills, bro.
So it's like collective individuals.
हाँ, ये टेनिस नहीं है कि आज आप हारे तो आपकी गलती है. नहीं, ये नहीं. आप बहुत अच्छा दिन भी होगा, आप कोहली को देखो, हर सीजन में ऑरेंज कैप है, हर सीजन में.
But the team is. Wait, you support RCB, right?
I love RCB. I love RCB. Delhi is my team, first team.
But fuck it, bro. Because Delhi was my first team, I stopped watching IPL maybe like 7-8 years ago. I swear.
Delhi Daredevils से फिर उस टाइम पे हम लोग देखते थे Delhi
I used to
Daredevils.
watch because of Sehwag, bro. That's it.
Virupa, yeah, of course, bro. Like my first match I went was in Firozshah Kotla. I was like 13, 14. Delhi from Dubai we went to watch the match and all. Now we were there traveling, so we went to watch a match.
Nice.
Then I was like, यार, what a crazy league, यार. यहाँ खेलना है. That's the kind of things.
That's when you like.
I love manifesting, yaar. If something
Yeah.
I want to do or like I want to make something happen, I manifest it. मेरा दिमाग, even if I don't want ना, subconsciously I'm only thinking about it.
Nice.
Yeah,
And then it comes true.
it comes
हो
true.
जाता है.
नहीं हो जाता है, easily नहीं होता.
But हो जाता है.
पर हो जाता है.
Because you've been manifesting.
Manifested. I stuck this newspaper में आया ना, budding cricketer eyes IPL. बड़े मच्छर हो गए हैं भाई.
My God, you got it from Emirates Hills, bro.
यार हर जगह भाई मच्छर का क्या है भाई, वो घर थोड़ी देख रहा है, एरिया थोड़ी देख के आ रहे हैं. हम दिल्ली से हैं भाई.
मैं भी दिल्ली से हूँ, bro.
हम तो अभी आइडिया है, अभी यहाँ पे मच्छर मार रहे 1 सेकंड में ऐसे.
Chakka lot, bro.
I got married, right? So I
When
was
did you get married?
about 4 years ago. So then I went to my wife's house. तो ऐसे ही हम लोग लंच कर रहे थे, मच्छर आया, मैंने कहा "पप", ऐसे मारा. कहते हैं माय इन-लॉज लाइक यार चिराग वेरी गुड यार. मैंने कहा क्रिकेट तो खेलता हूँ पर हो तो दिल्ली से, इतनी प्रैक्टिस करिए. पंजाबी बाग से वेस्ट दिल्ली, वहाँ पे हमारे ना वहाँ पे भी एक कनाल है हमारा. वो कनाल नहीं, नाला एक्चुअली.
हाँ, नाला ही है.
वो कनाल नहीं. So my friends, my cousins are like, Chirag, now the Nala is becoming a river and we're making this. मैंने कहा हाँ, from now to our houses will be canal facing. But in Nala facing it is. They're like, it'll be canal facing. So, I mean, we love the being in India, being in Dubai, the
India
mix.
की अलग मजे है, bro.
इंडिया के अलग मजे. आप फेस्टिवल में चले जाओ, दिवाली, होली, फैमिली, खाना, you can't replicate here. These things you can't get here.
पानी भी अलग है, bro.
पानी अलग
हवा अलग है,
है,
वो
हवा अलग है. मतलब पेट
Go
आपका
there.
खराब होना ही होना है अगर जाओगे. 3
Your
दिन
stomach
बाद.
will get spoiled.
Stomach.
Your lungs will get fucked even if you don't smoke. ये दिल्ली की बात है.
हाँ.
But you get the best food, best experience and the worst experience afterwards.
मैंने I do drink occasionally and everything, but smoking I've never touched in my life.
Yeah.
Never.
Fuck, I was gonna vape and then,
I have vape in my hand. Look, I was gonna vape.
bro.
कर लो. I'm okay with it, but
चल कर.
उसमें क्या है? Passive smoking
Passive में
तो
मजा आता है. Do you enjoy passive smoking?
नहीं भाई. नहीं.
No?
नहीं.
You
I
get like
mean
a headache and stuff.
no, I don't. I'm not that around people who smoke so much. So
Oh yeah.
Vaping का
Sports
फर्क
man.
नहीं. नहीं
How
sports
many how many sportsmen smoke percentage wise तेरे हिसाब से?
50%.
50% smoke. Must be hard for them.
Doesn't like
कई
that-
लोगों
doesn't
को
that fuck
कई
with
लोगों
the
को तो
performance?
before going into bat, they'll take a puff and then go into bat.
Whoa.
To relax them.
Fuck are
Dude,
you
like
saying,
how?
bro?
I mean,
That's
like
next
I
level.
remember when I started smoking, my stamina 50% cut.
मेरी ना एक स्टोरी है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. एक हमारा क्रिकेटर था, बड़ा टॉप इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर, मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल प्लेयर.
Okay.
भाई साहब गए बैटिंग करने, 3 ओवर हो गए, 4 ओवर हो गए. उसके बाद ना मैंने कहा मेरे को ग्लव चेंज करना है. मैंने कहा यार अभी तो 3 ओवर ही हुए हैं यार, ग्लव चेंज क्यों कर रहे हैं ये. कहता है नहीं चिराग जस्ट गो टेक द ग्लव्स. मैं ग्लव्स देना. कहता है नो चिराग नॉट द ग्लव्स. जेब से लाइटर निकाला. कहता है आई लेफ्ट इट इन माय पॉकेट एंड उनको ना बॉल लगी पैड पे. तो कहता है यार बाहर गिर भी ना जाए लाइटर. कहता है चिराग ग्लव्स दे रहा तो लाइटर लेके जा बाहर. मैंने कहा यार एंड दिस इज like an IPL match is going on. This is that story.
Holy wow.
Yeah, crazy.
Bro.
Crazy.
एक दो और story बता.
Yeah, I want to hear like all these crazy stories, man.
नहीं we touched on
तो international cricket की
viral कर दोगे यार आप मुझे ये चीजों में.
भी कर दे bro, क्या हो गया?
कर दोगे सर, आप पहले ही वायरल हो.
Oh wow. I wish.
I'm blushing at the moment, bro.
Yeah, man. We're manifesting viral things now, bro.
रणवीर के बाद यही है. हेयर कट देखो, इनका हेयर कट तो पक्का वायरल हो रहा है.
Bro, I'm playing cricket today, bro, with a broken toe.
Oh.
मैं खेल रहा हूँ तेरे लिए.
खेलो
I'm
यार.
going for your corporate match, bro.
चलो यार.
Yeah, I'll be there as well. What
What
a
are you
boy.
gonna do?
What a boy, bro. I'm not that good at
कॉर्पोरेट
cricket.
मैचेस में ना बड़ा मजा आता है यार. वो सबको ना शुरू जाओ कहते हैं हाँ
Bro, अगर
भैया मारना मत. मैंने नहीं. कभी मार दिया तो कहता है यार सॉरी यार, आउट हो गए तो यार बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे थे. नो विन सिचुएशन.
Bro, you're going for a corporate match. You're gonna fuck them all, bro. Like, sorry to say.
No, I take it easy.
You'll have to take it easy.
How
Like,
can you
dude,
take it easy, bro? Agar if there is 50 runs to win in 10 balls, aren't you going to go
ठीक
crazy?
है.
तो
See,
करेगा
when
नहीं.
I'm playing for fun, I go and enjoy myself. I'm going there to interact, meet people, learn from others, and what they're doing and stuff. So this is the occasion. जब खेलना properly, आप properly खेलो. But it's true. जब हम cricket, whenever I go to play, I'll get serious. After
Yeah, you're in
the
the mood.
first 5-6 balls, I'll be like, चलो easy, I'll be laughing. Then एक आध ball ऐसे कि somebody bowls a good ball to me. अब इसको दिखाता हूँ. You know what I mean? Like that will automatically happen without me
Yeah,
trying.
So that's your instinct, man. You can't
Yeah,
shut it
you
down.
can't shut it down.
Can't.
Absolutely.
because I'm thinking like there will be some players who give it like 100% in every match kind of thing,
Bro.
right? Like,
विराट को देख लो आप.
yeah. I mean, I'm assuming
You
if
think if
Pumping,
Virat
bro.
Kohli came for your corporate match, you would like
He would play
seriously, or he would
100%,
play
bro.
like
I think he'll play like that only.
that only, right?
he will never like.
Different game, bro, altogether.
Who's your favorite cricketer?
Well, I always looked up to Virat.
Really?
Since under 19, how he played that journey, World Cups, you know, went on to play for India. So I always said.
उसके पहले कौन था? ये तो अभी विराट कोहली is like you. I think you're old enough to have someone before Virat Kohli.
Before अपना Sachin Paji, UV Pa.
You
love-
seem to be like very like connected with UV, right?
Yeah, very.
Yuvraj Singh.
Yeah, I don't know how. I don't know. I manifested. Na, there was a Canada League. मैंने कहा यार, I saw that on the Insta post that Yuvraj Singh is coming to the tournament. मैंने कहा यार जो भी हो ये वाले टीम ना मुझे भी ले ले. मैंने कहा यार बाकी so it's a bidding system ना. So I was like he's going to this team Toronto Nationals. I was like यार I hope टोरंटो नेशनल में ही हो जाए. बेशक कम पैसे मिले पर चाहता हूँ टोरंटो नेशनल ले ले. यूवी पा के साथ खेलना है.
Yeah.
तो हो गया बस. सो
कैसे
आई लैंडेड दैट. मैं अभी चलो हम इकॉनमी में गए, वो फर्स्ट क्लास में जा रहे होंगे, पर हम जगह तो सेम पहुंचे, होटल साथ से, एक टीम. ब्यूटीफुल यार, मजा आ गया. आई वाज बैटिंग विद like an idol, a hero
Yeah.
for us,
Yeah, like he's the reason we won the World Cup.
Yeah,
bro.
he's-
Like,
he's the
man
reason.
Tournament there.
Yeah.
Man of the tournament, under 19 World Cup,
Yeah.
27 World Cup, 2011 World Cup. Bro, bat, ball, fielding,
Everything, bro. He's a proper all-rounder.
gun, and the best human being also.
Nice.
Such a loving guy, bro. Big heart. Matlab, he keeps coming to Dubai. Yesterday also we were together. What a lovely guy. Big heart he has.
Amazing.
I want to ask you something. I don't know if you'll answer it, but one cricketer you don't want to hang out with. Whose things you don't like? If
That's
you
a
can say.
sketchy question.
It's very sketchy.
One cricketer I don't want to hang out with. यार होते हैं कहीं.
Like, okay, don't say the name, but reason why you wouldn't.
कहीं थे जो मैच फिक्सिंग वगैरह. सो आई गेस उनके साथ आई डोंट वांट टू हैंग आउट कंप्लीटली.
Okay.
But as a person playing cricket, you'll know कि ये बंदा match fixing कर रहा है.
नहीं
Can you
ब्रो,
tell, like, while
नथिंग
you're
ब्रो. इन माय टीम आई वाज प्लेइंग फॉर द यूएई टीम, राइट. हम लोग बस में जा रहे हैं, तो एवरीबडी इज नॉर्मल, टक रहे हैं. वी रीच द ग्राउंड, हमारे 3 बंदों को ले गए
कौन?
on allegations.
Oh.
Match fixing.
In the UAE cricket?
Yeah, this happened about like 5-6 years ago. And that time my career was still young, like I'm seeing T20 World Cup qualifiers is going on. One guy is coming there and, he's like, you guys come. Takes their phone, takes everything, takes them straight away for interrogation. And they find, and 2-3 players got banned also. And before that, we were in the same team. Everything was normal. Great guys, bro. Like,
And you couldn't tell, right?
never, bro. How can you?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
Because
Maybe
I
you
mean,
could.
like, what would?
I don't know.
वो क्या बताएंगे क्या मुझे चिराग? Unless and until you're involved fully.
Like I've seen like Inside Edge. उसमें they show like a few.
भाई
things.
साहब.
Yeah, that's what I know of match fixing because वैसे दिखाया है मेरे को.
नहीं यार,
मेरे को नहीं मालूम
inside edge
कैसा
and all is very exaggerated. ऐसा नहीं होता. That's purely fictional.
Yeah.
Don't go by कि ऐसे cricket में होता है. That's
इसलिए
that's
मेरे को
not the
पूछ रहा हूँ,
case.
right? Like I want to know.
No, in my career I've never seen such things or ऐसे open में कुछ हो या never ever. But even when it was happening in my team, I'm saying you couldn't
Yeah.
tell.
Tell, right?
There was nothing that you're like, यार मजाक कर रहे थे यार कल इन लोग के साथ, वही बैठे हुए थे, अब ये ऐसे कर रहे हैं. Like you don't realize ना यार, because it's become very like specific also.
But does the team feel cheated? Like
Of
how
course,
does the team
bro.
feel when
Yeah, man.
one of them is getting like involved in match fixing?
bro.
It fucks with the whole environment,
Of
right?
course, man.
Morale and
How
everything.
can
must have been risk.
how can you like enjoy the game? Like we're playing the game by like. Luckily enough, I never needed, like I told you, to play cricket to put food on my table. I was not in that situation.
Yeah.
मैं खेल रहा हूँ सिर्फ प्यार और passion के लिए.
And the competition.
And the competition,
That's a part
and
of
no
the
doubt,
sport.
I'm playing for the accolades and the whatever I'm getting, the fame and publicity, whatever you can say. I love that. मैं खेल रहा हूँ उसके लिए. But यार जब ये चीजें होती हैं, you're like, yeah, this is not what we want to do. This is not what we want to publicize or advocate. Yeah, this is wrong, completely wrong. And I don't like to, even discuss. But it was happening in the same team. I was playing with them. मतलब 15 बंदों का स्क्वाड है हमारा जिम्बाब्वे में, जिसमें 4-5 बंदे कर रहे हैं. Like it was crazy. समझ नहीं आ रहा था. Like and then you say यार, you think, oh यार, is that why he got out? Oh, is that why he played that shot? After you're like, yaar, oh, is that why he said this to me? Oh, is that why he said? You realize that after. You don't realize at that time.
Yeah.
At that time, but बाद में everything you think यार, oh he played that shot because of this, he bowled that ball because of this,
उसे कैच ड्रॉप कर दी,
catch drop कर दी, misfield कर दी.
Yeah.
You can think about 1,000 things after, but at that time, they're your teammates, bro. You trust them. You don't put a finger on anyone when you're playing for the country or anything.
Yeah, exactly.
That was it, yeah.
Wow. How did you get into IPL? Like, it's difficult for someone to be in the UAE and then get selected for something.
So,
which is-
2014 there was elections in India, so half the IPL shifted to Dubai.
Yeah.
You guys remember?
Yeah.
So we had matches in like Dubai Stadium and stuff, and we played some practice matches with Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. Played 3 practice matches. First practice match
You were
against Rajasthan,
representing
UAE.
and you were playing
Practice
against
matches,
team,
IPL
right?
teams.
हाँ,
क्या
ठीक
against?
है.
So we played the first game against Rajasthan Royals, and that also in the UAE team. That time I was like 18, 19, I think. Very young, 2014. 10 साल हो गए.
2014 was you
17,
must be
18,
like
19 साल का था. 19 साल का था.
18,
19 साल का, 29
yeah.
का हुआ. 19 साल का था. So I was 19, and I was breaking into the main team. So it was a big match. So I think one opener couldn't make that day or something. Nothing happened. So I fitted in for him. हम गए मैच में, राजस्थान रॉयल्स के साथ मैच था. टिम साउदी, शेन वॉटसन, ऑल गुड टीम. इकबाल अब्दुल्ला, प्रवीण तांबे.
2014 में तो आई थिंक राजस्थान ही जीती थी, if I'm not mistaken.
नहीं, नहीं.
24
Was it?
फर्स्ट और सेकंड में जीते
तो एनीवे गुड टीम, गन टीम. सो मैच स्टार्ट हुआ. पहले ओवर ठोंग मिस 3-4 बॉले 1 रन. फिर मैंने कहा यार भाई अब तो थोड़ा प्रेशर आ गया. दूसरी तरफ से भी ना कोई रन नहीं आया. 2 ओवर हो गए, 4 और 5 रन्स. फिर टिम साउदी आया. मैंने एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे आई कट द बॉल, वेंट फॉर 4.
Nice.
देन ही बोल्ड शॉट. मैंने कहा पक्का इसको चौका मारा ना, ये 100% फास्ट बॉलर इंस्टिंक्ट. शॉर्ट बॉल करा, शॉर्ट बॉल ठोंग 6. आई वाज ऑलरेडी एक्सपेक्टिंग इट.
Oh, so you know, like what
Yeah.
they like.
Bro,
this
that's
thing.
Cricket is
mind
psychology.
game.
Cricket
That's
is
a
the
mind
mind game,
Yeah.
complete mind game. bro.
Nice.
And if you think that at 140 miles kilometers an hour, 150 kilometers an hour, you're only reacting, bro. But what the top players do is they're guessing and their
They're buying time.
strategy.
They're buying time, right?
Yeah, and they know what's going to come, bro.
Yeah.
They make the bowler bowl where they want to. That's the quality of the best players. Like what separates from the good level to like the next level, they know what's coming, and they're prepared for it.
Like it's all in the mind,
Mind,
bro.
right?
Like, let's say even the
They
captain sets
read the
field
bowler's mind.
accordingly.
Wow, man. Because when you told me, right?
But here's the thing: you're talking as a batsman, right?
Yeah.
अब तो bowler के हिसाब से बात करेगा.
हाँ.
So it'll be the same thing.
Same thing.
Let's say now the.
बट
whole
बॉलर का तो
game
फिर
is-
भी कंट्रोल है ना. आपको जहाँ बॉल डालनी है आप डाल सकते हो.
Yeah.
बैट्समैन तो यार बैट्समैन तो कोई भी शॉट खेल सकता है.
But if you already know where I'm going to ball, okay, my mind game with you will be to make sure that you don't
know
where
where
it's
it's
going, right?
But
But
that's
then again,
what.
you have to maintain the line and length as well.
But that's what reading the bowler's minds, and that's what the cricketers do. It's not only a physical aspect or
Yeah.
skill based. It's a mental game, boss. Cricket is a big time mental game. You need to know what the guy is thinking, what's on his mind, and we get data now. कि यार when this guy is under pressure वो slower ball करता है. When
Oh, that's analytics, right?
all
wow.
analytics, bro. Then there'll be percentages. Ki, how many times will Rashid Khan bowl a googly? Where does he get hit the most? Which areas? So you can target him. Now cricket's become like, bro, the booklet aati hai. I played T10 league. We had an analyst in our team. We sit down, watch the videos.
यहाँ पे था ना in Dubai.
In Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
We watch all the videos and they go through the bowler's ball. This is what this guy does. This is the variation he has. And this is his stock ball. Matlab 60-70% of the time he'll bowl this. Then the other 10% he'll bowl a off cutter, leg cutter. Everything the data is there, boss. You can't hide.
But these analytics, right? Do you think they like make a player like let's say I'm a really good bowler,
Yeah.
like normally.
Yeah.
But my analytics suck.
Yeah.
Do you think that messes with like the player? Like, should we put him in the team? Should we not put him in the team? Because look, I might be like, because that happens in a lot of sports. There's analytics
yeah,
thing, yeah.
of
It's like,
course.
oh, he's a really good player, but he's not efficient. Like his
Yeah.
analytics and
He's
all.
not achieving the potential
Yeah.
or whatever it is. See, in cricket, analytics play a big role. See, you have to take wickets as a bowler. You have
Yeah.
to score runs as a batsman. There's nothing else.
Yeah.
कैसे आप विकेटें लेते हो या कैसे रन बनाते हो वो आपके ऊपर है. There's no fast or thick and fast
Yeah.
rule. You can score runs. You can take wickets however you want. You need to take it, but
You need to do that's the performance.
That's the thing. So I think analytics sometimes like
Yeah,
like,
they're not the
shows that
best.
player
Yeah.
is not that good on paper, but reality, man, he is actually really good.
yeah.
Because there's some aspects, like if he's good at something, there's something in your analytics that you have not figured out. That's the only thing that I can tell, because on the result base he's great.
Yeah.
But if analytics are showing something else, then there's
मतलब कहीं तो कमी है फिर.
कहीं कुछ देखा नहीं है. Something has been missed.
Yeah.
That's
True.
what I think.
I agree.
Yeah, so you were saying about the IPL and how you got into it. We deviated from the topic.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I played some warm-up matches. Na? So in this match, I scored about 60 odd. Then I smashed it 60 of 25 balls or something.
Whoa.
And then this game against Mumbai Indians, Bumrah was young and everything. Like I scored about 42 of 16 balls or 17 balls, and another 30 I scored going down. They said, चिराग तू ओपन मत कर, तू नीचे कर. नीचे भी मैंने रन कर दिया. मतलब कोच ने कहा कि अभी दूसरों को ना प्रमोट कर रहे थे, तो मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं नीचे बैटिंग कर लेता हूँ, क्या करें अब.
Everyone needs to get a chance to play against.
चांस हो यार, तो पॉलिटिक्स होती है कभी कभी. दे डोंट वांट टू प्रमोट some
Certain
people,
players.
some players at certain times. So
Okay.
that was the whole idea, and yeah, that's where I got that opportunity. That's where the eyes came on me, you can say. And Rajasthan Royals, the team, the management, they became Gujarat Lions. So 2 साल ban हुई ना Rajasthan Royals. So a lot of the team and management went to Gujarat Lions. So that's how I got picked up in the season.
Sick, man. That's a great achievement. to be
Yeah,
honest. Like,
yeah.
Someone from
I
Dubai.
went for a couple of trial matches. Is that I was like, I was hungry to do well. I was like, करना है यार, बस.
Okay, so you were talking about politics, like that is happening in, like, let's say the team you're playing, UAE.
Yeah.
Like, what sort of politics? Like, why do they want these players to go and play if you are a better batsman or if you're a better option?
Bro, I think
But
it's
what sort of politics?
based
Like,
on rapport, right? Like if I'm the coach and if I
अपने
like
बंदे,
you,
हाँ.
yeah, you are my guy. Go and open.
That's it.
Chirag will go maybe 2 down or something.
it's nothing to do, like, let's say I am a guy, okay, and I'm in the UAE team. If I go up to the coach, like, yo, I pay you like some money, can you send me like
ऐसे होता है?
नहीं.
ऐसे होता है?
होता होगा.
नहीं है ऐसा. ये यार यूई क्रिकेट आप इंटरनेशनल कर रहे हो, जूनियर में इधर उधर आप कर सकते हो, उस लेवल पे इंटरनेशनल में नहीं आप कर सकते ऐसा. बट लाइकिंग, फेवरिज्म, हम लोग कहते हैं यार ये तो कोच का बंदा है, कोच का चेला है. तो यार देखो, हर चीज़ की स्किल्स चाहिए. यही तो मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ. आपको क्या है, मैच खेलना है. आपने जो करना है मैच खेलने के लिए आप करो. कोई किसी
So this is a part of
the learning.
of the learning.
It's a learning part. So
Ass
don't.
kissing.
I think it's
Ass kissing is an art, bro. It's an art.
So that's an art that I'm really failing at.
लोग कहाँ तक पहुँच गए एस किसिंग कर करके. तो ठीक है, तो अगर आपको थोड़ी बार करनी पड़ेगी एस किसिंग, कर लो यार, क्या हो गया इसमें.
कितनी बार ass kissing की है?
कर लो, बहुत करी है मैंने एस किसिंग, इसमें क्या है.
But has it?
But to reach where you
तूने
are,
कभी
so it's good.
ass kissing की है and it's not worked out in your favor?
होता है भाई ऐसे. हर बार शॉट मिस, ऐसा लगा सही जगह निशाने पे नहीं लगता कभी कभी.
हाँ, ठीक है.
But-
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ फीलिंग कैसी होती है जब तूने ass kissing कर ली है
और उसके बाद भी बाहर.
you just stop playing, bro.
Yeah, bro, it
How
happens,
does
bro.
that feel?
It happens, bro. What to do? See, there's a lot of good players. I'll be honest with you. तू भी अच्छा player है, ये भी अच्छा player है, मैं भी अच्छा player. We all sitting together.
हाँ.
ठीक है. अब खेलना एक बंदे ने या 2 बंदे ने. आप ऑन फील्ड भी अच्छे हो. Your behaviors, you're a likable person. Like I remember मैं एक बार ना बस पे मैं लेट हुआ. उसके बाद कोच ने कहा चला $300 फाइन और तू ना ऐसा कर 2 मैच पानी पिला.
Oh, fuck.
So it's not only about ass kissing, but you genuinely have to be disciplined.
Very disciplined.
Disciplined. Some coaches love that, bro, and they're very strict. Some coaches are nahi yaar, it's okay. What he does off the field, it's fine. But some people are like off the field भी इसको discipline रखो भाई, time से सोए, ये करे. Some coaches are not like that.
But
That's
that
a part
affects
of-
that affects how you play in the field, right?
100%, bro.
Of course. Like,
100%. But some people, bro, like if you talk about say Dhoni and all these people, but they have their own routine, bro. Like you can't tell them what to do and these kind of
Yeah.
things. Like they have their own routine, they have their own way of working. उनको नहीं बोला आप 10 बजे सो जाओ, वो 3 बजे सोते हैं.
but still come and perform next morning.
भाई अगर आपको रिजल्ट मिल रहा है, कैसे बंदा कर रहा है, everybody's got a different way of working, bro. That's what you need to manage as a coach and even as a player you need to understand. I've captained a few of the times as well, some of the teams, and you need to try to get the best out of the person. वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है कैसे निकालना है. Everybody's way of work is not the same. You have to get the output out. That's why Mahi and all are such amazing captains, because they knew how to get the best out of the players. Players तो वही हैं यार. आज भी इंडियन टीम में हम लोग, हमारी टीम अच्छी नहीं है क्या? बेस्ट टीम है. बेस्ट टीम, you have the best team. but उनसे काम निकालना, उनको comfortable feel कराना, like that's what matters.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Make them feel special, like all of them. Like
All of them,
it's
bro.
like you have to maintain the spirit, morale, XYZ,
Morale, कोई
other-
कभी down हो, कभी
The
कुछ हो.
vibes should be good, bro.
Vibe should be good,
Yeah.
always.
yeah.
What's
That
the
makes
vibe in the dressing room?
Is what's gonna come out.
वही
He's
है.
right. वही आएगा, वही
Bro,
result.
I'll give a great example for this. Right now, Mumbai Indians, right? Mumbai Indians IPL में there was a controversy where Rohit Sharma was the captain since the beginning, right?
Yeah.
And suddenly they changed the captaincy. The management changed the captaincy to Hardik Pandya without informing Rohit Sharma. So then there became like a big thing. Oh my God, fuck this and X Y Z. Now Mumbai Indians is a team which has won like what 3 out of the last 4 or something.
Yeah, like
They've
they're
won like a
they're the
few.
team with CSK who's the most successful franchise.
This is the team owned by Ambani. Okay. So they have the fucking best players. Even the reserve players are like international players, not like some fucking kids, right?
नहीं वो तो सब IPL team में ही होता है, but yeah, they have the backing to, they have the best team, best staff, everything.
So before the IPL, they were I think the favorites to win it again.
Last
right? And right after the controversy, there must have been some mad friction in the dressing room that the team that is the favorite is actually on 9th position.
10th, bro.
10th हो गया. They're the last, right?
Last.
Like this, it's the same players that are playing, but for some reason, because the morale in the dressing room, they've just gone shot down to 10th. And I'm telling you, like the second they sort out that issue, like you'll automatically see the performances.
अब
getting
वो
better because
sort
the
out,
environment
अब
is
वो
good.
sort out नहीं हो सकता, bro.
One of them has to leave, right?
That's that. Not one of them. हार्दिक तो अभी कैप्टन बना है, उसको हार्दिक को
रोहित
थोड़ी
will
निकालेंगे. Most probably, I think he'll leave.
So
They even clapped him off after that last game, like that.
Sayonara.
Thank you for silently like unsaid. Some things are unsaid.
Yeah.
I don't think he'll play next year for Mumbai.
So that's the thing, like, and I think that will like automatically make their performances better because you don't have that presence which is creating a problem.
Absolutely. That's
Wow,
it.
man.
Yeah.
That is like team sports is way too complicated, man.
Bro,
Like it's too complicated.
you were saying something about you have captained a few sides, right?
Correct.
Do you? So I've seen a lot of captains who, like, let's say Sachin was the captain of the Indian team for a bit,
But
but he couldn't handle it.
No.
But he's the greatest batsman, I think, one of the top
Yeah,
3
yeah.
batsmen in the world, right?
he's
Ever.
the greatest. Yeah.
So, does it affect your performance, or how does it mentally?
Depends on
like,
some people. I think when I was captain in the matches I was playing and everything, I wanted to do better, bro. I wanted to lead from the front.
Yeah.
Like I had that in me कि यार करना है, सबको दिखाना है, करना
You
है.
gotta lead by example, right?
Bro, we beat like I captained the UAE team against Surrey counties, you know, Nepal. Like captain against Canada, and we were playing in Dubai. We beat them, bro. And in all the matches, I'm telling you, my average was about 20 runs higher as a captain than not captain.
I'm sure it makes a difference, bro. 100%.
But ठीक है, I didn't captain long time in the UAE team. My thing was always that I want to do my batting, and like I was at that stage. I didn't want to be too involved also.
you just अपने में ही देखना देखो.
Yeah.
अपना करो और जाओ. I was happy in that. I didn't want to be too extra involved, and I was happy at that stage. I would have loved to captain more, or even going forward. But I prefer focusing on myself, focusing on the things I do, control that, and आगे बढ़ो.
Because I think that's then extra added responsibility.
Yeah.
So some people thrive in it, and some people just can't do it.
Yeah. I thrive it.
I
I
think
thrive.
honestly, I don't think I can do it. Like I
Like
wouldn't
lead
be
a team?
able.
Bro, everybody's personality.
Yeah.
हर बंदे की personality अलग है.
I want to do it for myself, kind of thing, and if I have to help out other people to do it also, like
You're like you manage your own thing.
Yeah, you
But ठीक है यार, everybody's
Yeah,
got their own.
that's fine. Fucking phone is going up my ass, bro. So,
You've been ass kissing too much somewhere.
my phone's kissing my ass, buddy.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, एक बात बता. We want Red Bull to be our sponsor. Somehow, anyhow, we are manifesting it. I am.
I am.
Can
Also.
you start also? Yeah.
मैं पता क्या रेड बुल का केस रखवाता हूँ
Bro,
तुम्हारा
ले
पॉडकास्ट
आता।
वगैरह में.
Yeah, bro.
Raghav drinks so much Red Bull, bro.
I don't drink so much Red Bull.
Bro.
I drink
Drinks
Red
a
Bull
lot
on the
of Red
weekends,
Bull.
man.
Bro, you should, if you're drinking one Red Bull a day, is very normal, bro. The vitamins you get, B12, people don't talk about these things, but it's got all these vitamins you are taking from supplements. You get it in the drink, bro. कौन supplement रोज लेगा?
Yeah.
मैं एक Red Bull लेता हूँ. It's perfect. It covers up all those supplements which you need. Yeah, all your vitamin Bs and all. Everything is in the Red Bull. taurine, this, that, all the good stuff, bro.
I love your enthusiasm about Red Bull, bro.
Even-
I fucking love it.
One Red Bull before the gym, bro, is just like.
They don't maybe have it just before.
No,
have
yeah,
it a while
20
before.
like
Yeah, because otherwise you get a
Yeah,
otherwise
20
it's
minutes.
otherwise you get a stitch. But yeah, if you have it, sip some water, have it before, you're good to go, bro. You're good to go.
Man. Yeah, I've seen the difference,
So
when
you
My mind is activated,
Yeah,
bro. I used to always bat. My Red Bulls were there. Everybody knew. Whoever was giving water to me, everything, they knew कि चिराग का Red Bull साथ जाना ही है. Some of the matches, I was not allowed to take the Red Bull can inside. They could not give it because there are other sponsors
Yeah,
like
put it in a
Gatorade and all were
bottle.
sponsors. So they used to put it in a bottle and come give me
oh, nice.
in a plain plastic bottle.
interesting, bro.
And then people will think it's something else only, but it isn't.
No, they just think that
उनका
it's
नहीं bro कि वो
whatever.
you get those things ना hydrating things
Yeah,
and
like
all.
Pocari and stuff.
They show it like that and you
Yeah.
have that ORS now and all.
Yeah.
So they probably think it's that. So they put it in
So
a
you
bottle.
think that Red Bull will ever come to sponsor?
हो सकता है
It's
bro.
possible.
You
because
manifesting it ना होएगा.
I'm
We'll try, bro.
manifesting it so hard, bro.
We'll get it, bro. We'll get it
Yeah,
placed. I did a podcast with one guy Jabber. He's with Red Bull, so they send him a case all the time. They're like they're giving. They're not like sponsoring, but they're like giving the product to him. So it's like a
They're
collaboration.
facilitating.
Yeah, bro. And if you drink it, it's good, bro. Like eventually, as you grow, they'll want to be involved with you even more so.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because you're wearing the Red Bull cap, I feel like soon it'll be on mine also. And
Yeah.
on-
No
We
cap,
all-
caps only for the athletes, bro.
Oh shit.
Bro, yaar, fuck.
I can't
ये
even
एक
give.
extra-
No, I can't give to
ये क्या
anyone,
हो
bro.
गया, bro? Why is that
You
happening?
can't. Only the athletes. It says everywhere, bro. Only for athletes.
What
inside.
about Red Bull podcast? Adventure into your fucking mind.
Next level, bro. कर दे तू कर दे.
There'll be new caps for people who do podcasts. bro.
Yeah.
So the racing ones you can wear, but the Red Bull only with this logo and the clothes are only for the athletes.
Crazy.
So now there's myself, Ben Stokes,
Sick.
Rabada, Riyan Parag, Shreyas Iyer. We're all part of.
I've seen a few of your things with Shreyas Iyer. You good with him?
Yeah, very nice. He's a super nice guy, bro.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he's not in the World Cup team.
Yeah.
बट क्या बोले यार अभी उसने वर्ल्ड कप में 3-4 मार दिया यार 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप में डिड सो वेल
Bro, the competition
इमेजिन
is
आफ्टर
insane,
डूइंग
bro.
सो वेल कहाँ लोग यार so many people are trying bro even to reach IPL team
Yeah.
is not easy you need to be like very talented very like
And I think now
you have to be the right
the-
place at the right time
The way you said it, it's not just talent and skill. It's everything.
everything bro
Everything.
you need to do the full package
You need to be the full package and more.
यार अंडर 19 में there's so many players वो super successful वो क्यों नहीं इंडिया जाके खेलते हर बंदा भाई it should be ना अगर आप अंडर 19 में you're killing everybody you should all go on to play for India ना for the big team नहीं होता क्यों because some people don't have the other skills
Yeah,
talent है बाकी skills भी तो चाहिए
of course.
mental pressure लेना ass kissing
Yeah.
hर
Ass
चीज
kissing मेरे को नहीं पसंद आ रहा bro. Like कितनी बार बोले like feels like cricket में ass kicking ही हो रहा है. Ass kissing sorry.
No, not. I don't think it's all the time, but at the right time you have to do.
yeah you have to
At the right, not all the time. It should be at the right time.
बोल दो
Fair.
coach को
That's an art.
coach
That's what he said, right?
it's an art bro
तो
that's
सही बोला. Art है.
कर लो भाई जो भी ये काम करवाने के लिए करो simple as that you need to get the work done whatever it takes simple
Because that's the thing. Some people are not. They say they will do everything to get the work done, but cannot.
Yeah.
At one point, they will be like
nah,
morally.
yeah I'm not saying bro like casting couch and all is too much like
No, like for okay. Now we'll take his example only. Let's say if he was trying to like get into the team, the one thing he said, I don't want to do ass kissing.
ये नहीं है
know
ये
what,
मेंटालिटी नहीं है
ये
भाई
नहीं खेलेगा.
भाई
इंडिया के लिए
You know
नहीं
what,
खेलेगा.
नहीं आई एम नॉट सेइंग इंडिया के लिए यार देखो टैलेंट हर चीज चाहिए होती है उस स्टेज तक भी पहुंचने के लिए इट्स कॉल्ड मैन मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स
Okay, that's what we call it. Man management.
Ass kissing. New word for ass kissing is man management. Don't fucking forget that.
you need to have man management skills in whatever you do
Yeah.
आज आप रियल एस्टेट
Yeah,
में
of
हो
course.
आज तू पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है you need man management आज you're calling me inviting me the way you go about it to make it more popular the way you're organizing things with your clients or whatever everything matters bro you say good morning this that हर रोज तू
Now
मैसेज
I know you make houses and sell it. No, so I'll do man management skills with you. Now
कर
I'll
ले
call you. I'll be like,
करेगा
oh bro,
देखो अभी call.
कर
घर बन गया. Let me sell it for you now, bro.
बेच भाई हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है कौन बेचे हमें तो मतलब है खरीदने बेचने से ना बेच
That's a great deal, bro. देखो तो यहाँ पे मिल गया एक client ऐसे ही. ये सही है.
Now you get message from me every day, bro.
He gets a
कहेगा लिस्टिंग फॉर्म भेज दो सर फॉर्म ए कर दो कहेगा भैया प्लीज आई डू द लिस्टिंग फॉर यू ऑन प्रॉपर्टी फाइंडर एक्सक्लूसिव
मेरे से भी देखो मैसेज मिलेगा यूवी कब आ रहा है मेरे को मिला सकता है उससे.
वो तो इधर ही है भाई पर वो आएंगे उनसे भी करेंगे
करेंगे करवा दियो भाई.
करवा देंगे भाई
All of us on one podcast.
Fuck, that'll be sick, bro.
सेथ रोगन वाली फीलिंग आएगी इसको
Seth Rogen वाली.
जो रोगन सेथ रोगन वाली
Seth Rogen वाली फीलिंग के लिए दुबई नहीं आ सकते bro. बाहर
You
जाना
can't
पड़ेगा
have
पूरा.
those sort of conversations.
yeah that's crazy
But it would be great. Yeah, it would be-
If you had to save someone 5 years of their life, just on a mental note, what would you suggest that people would do to save just 5 years of their life?
I would say man just like I was like 18 19 years I was 18 19 years old and I was like you know what would I be not doing when I was that age when I was 24 25 was probably like not caring about you know what other people say like what they think of me or what they say like after a certain level you don't care bro you just care for close ones yourself and that sort of maturity came after you know later on like the last few years you can say but before that
Like after you got married?
yeah you can say after you got married a couple of years even after you realize man like it doesn't matter what other people are saying like what you do is you should be happy keep your family happy that's it simple as that
That's a really good thing because at younger age it matters like public opinion or
Everything.
opinion matters a
Of
lot.
course, of course.
But then once you grow older and your circle becomes smaller, then you have like let's say I have 8 friends. I only care about
those 8
those 8 opinions. You understand? Like
that's it
you know what I mean? Like their opinion can change my day or like you know it can change my mood. Maybe they say something wrong or something right, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Will change my thing. But
Absolutely.
now before it was like everybody would say anything and I would be like
यार कितनी बार इंस्टा पे हमें आते थे मैसेजेस यार और गालियाँ पैंचो ये वो क्या किया आउट हो गया ये वो गालियाँ भाई टीम से निकालो इसको ये वो blah
How did
blah
it feel? Like
ठीक
तो
है।
How do you
तू
feel?
ये
How do you
मैसेज देख
handle
रहा है
all
and
I
he's
love
like,
it bro
fuck with
it
the
fuels me
confidence.
bro I love it bro I
Love-
fuels
love
me
it.
you will start liking the messages. It's like the
मैं तो
messages.
सीधा मैं तो कर देता भाई थैंक्स
तो सबको थैंक्स बोलता है.
हाँ थैंक्स कर देते हैं मतलब इतने भी
Use that as fuel for like the next game.
Fair dude.
मतलब
that's-
यार, जब
you-
वो-
you thrive on that.
some you know how they say when people are talking about you whether good or bad that means you're doing something right बस
That's the thing.
like keep that in my mind bro
If people are talking about you, you're doing something right.
Yeah, good or bad.
good or bad I'm saying something you must be doing ना
कि लोग बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
कुछ तो कर रहे होगे
Fair, fair.
if there's a if
पर अगर
there's
तू जीरो पे आउट हो गया,
ठीक है
तूने ज्यादा कुछ किया नहीं, and you're receiving that message,
भाई तो-
it will fuck your confidence or will it
नहीं
like be
bro,
like okay I'm
भाई-
gonna score 100 next game.
भाई cricket I told you ना you need to learn how to take the failure the bad day you can't keep thinking about the bad day if you take the bad day and go into the next game you'll be like the same confidence you'll be batting like you got out on 0
Yeah.
you can't go like you have to bat the first ball as if you scored 100 the last game always
Okay.
because your vibe is different your energy you move different bro the moment you're like timid or like I for me personally the moment I feel like I'm not confident my body doesn't move like the way I want it to I'll be like you know
Yeah.
like
Hesitant.
that's
Yeah.
it you can't have that hesitancy you need to back yourself bro so the moment you get out on 0 or have bad days you're like it's in your head you're fucked
So like in Formula 1.
No, I'll
okay,
tell you in football, this happened to Fernando Torres. You
yeah
missed
when his
one
confidence
open
was
goal,
gone
bro.
Gone,
He
like
missed
no
that
he
open
came
goal.
from Liverpool to Real
Chelsea.
No,
Chelsea. Yeah,
He
Chelsea.
missed that one open goal.
That's it.
After that, he became like.
He
Bro,
couldn't score
It's
bro.
so sad. Like his confidence just took such a huge
Huge
hit,
hit.
and that's because everyone fucked him on social media, bro. Like on Twitter and this, and like if someone reads that and takes it seriously,
That's what.
Good luck to you,
नहीं बड़े लोग हैं bro. We have these conversations. So many people. It affects you a little bit. Definitely, bro. You're not invincible from it. Like it affects us, of course. But I don't try to take it to the heart or to the mind.
okay,
Put it on the side most of the time.
ठीक है. So fuck, I really forgot. I had
About
a
the Formula One you were saying.
yeah. So in Formula 1, they say that you're as good as your last result, your last race finish.
तो हर चीज़ में बोलता है as good as your last game.
Yeah.
But does that apply in cricket? I don't think it does apply.
नहीं bro, it applies bro. Like
Because
you-
there's a reason you have like that average and strike rate. That's a
Yeah.
collection of your entire fucking career, right?
yeah. But you do say that in terms of form and all. Like yeah, a guy's a good player. We know that. But is he in that mindset right now? Is he in that mind space? Is he in that form? Form is very important in cricket. It's not like other sports where you know what can I say? Like if you're feeling good and you know naturally you'll do better.
Yeah.
That's it. That's
That
what
is like in life.
it's a mindset. Form is also a mindset. Form is a mindset. आप बंदे को बोलो, some people just train themselves कि you know they've never been out of form. Just think. That's what the coaches tell you. Think that you're batting amazing. Think you're scoring hundreds every day. Go with that mindset. Forget about the bad days. It's not easy as you say. मतलब it's not that easy to do, but
But it's something that
the,
you should try to
the
practice.
top cricketers do it, bro. They think we're the best.
That sort of mentality is what I think is required.
That's a
in
winning.
Always, bro.
that's like-
Always.
In sports, like I am number one.
Look at Max Verstappen, bro. The guy doesn't care about the other drivers. He's like, I'm the
No, he
best.
doesn't need-
I come second. No, that was not a good drive.
Yeah.
He's like, bro, he comes second. He's like,
Bro,
not a good
he's
drive.
got 8 poles like continuously.
10 हो गया मेरे को लग रहा है.
कल आठ
क्या?
थे, yeah, in Italy.
I love Formula 1, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, to be in that car seat and braking
Have you
at 300 kilometers an hour and the next car, आपकी गलती नहीं है, दूसरी कार ने भी गलती की तो आप गए.
Yeah, and the G-force, bro. That's the thing that
There's no
the most.
error, bro. The other driver also has to be good, bro. Because tuck line you're
Have
going.
you ever played F1 on PS?
Yeah.
That's how it'll be, bro.
Bro, it's
Like you're just going and you don't know when to brake and you're just like, top.
I was in the paddock now with Red Bull, so I've seen how fast it is, bro. It's a game of milliseconds, bro.
Yeah, man.
When they pit and all, like how they change.
You know, this
It's insane.
F1 simulator is there.
Uh-huh.
I've tried that, man. The
How's
brake.
You can't, bro. Your body, you're shaking.
No, like he told me, he's like shake करने का.
Fuck.
I'm like नहीं मेरे को shake wake नहीं करने
हाँ.
का. So that's what, bro. The brake.
Yeah.
Is so hard. It's
So
like
hard, yeah.
it's like kicking a wall.
You really gotta like,
You gotta
Press that-
Press the brake,
Press
yeah.
the brake, man, for it to
Fuck.
stop. It's so hard, man. And apparently they lose a lot of weight after like.
yeah,
the-
every because all the water gets
Water
drained
weight
out.
comes out.
That's about 3 kilos.
And the
Give or
suit
take,
is so
depends on your
thick,
body.
bro.
Yeah, man.
It's a fire
Resistant.
thing resistant suit.
Yeah.
It's so thick, bro. Inside, if you
Yeah.
touch the driver after ना, धुआं निकल रहा होता है.
That's too much.
That is
bro.
insane.
Like how we play in Sharjah,
हाँ.
45-50 degrees में हम खेले हुए मैच, bro.
Yeah.
एक मैच में तो मतलब I threw up, bro, while batting. I threw up and continued batting.
Wow.
चक्कर आ रहे हैं 42 still to win in 4 overs. चक्कर आ रहे हैं baft.
Yeah.
Like all water came out. Like चक्कर आ रहे हैं, go again batting.
Wow.
And guys bowling 130 Ks.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Like on camera, when you see it, it looks slow, yeah, the ball. But when you see the speed, it's like 150 and only like, oh shit, that was, I mean, like.
After what number, what kilometers per hour do you think that the bowler is actually a quick bowler?
140.
Above 140, it's
Quick.
Bro, imagine
Quick, right?
if a bowler like bowls or shakes ass, or it goes 140, the camera will
Bro.
flash in, bro.
141. No,
No, it's
121.
121.
Camera will flash, bro, and go. Have you thought of that? Bro?
That'll be too cool.
Fast, man. And it's a different game altogether. Bowling fast and all, bro.
Yeah.
Do you like.
Talent.
Are you able to see that ball or is it with
Only reactions.
Only reactions. huh?
Only reactions. There's no, वो कहते हैं ना पैर आगे निकालो, footwork करो.
How do these guys come down the track and bang these balls, bro?
Premeditation, confidence. Premeditate निकल के मार दे. Like it's just everybody's ability is different.
Imagine someone is bowling at 145 and you're just walking down on his face and you just.
Huh.
Thump. That is
So
mad.
वो
bro.
कहते हैं ना, sometimes in your career you're seeing the ball as a football. You're at that mental, state.
Yeah.
मारो कोई 140 or 150, the faster it comes, the further it goes.
Yeah.
True.
Tuck.
And it goes even faster from when it hits the bat.
Yeah, it goes faster. The speed of the bat is
And
even,
even the
20-30 k's faster because you're reacting. Boom.
And even the fielder, like when the ball comes, how do you react when you're in the slips?
Slips, point,
Slips is
बड़े
so fast, bro.
बड़ी injuries हुई हैं यार
Dude,
काफी.
Raghav tore his ACL because of cricket, you know that?
अच्छा.
Yeah.
मैं भाग रहा था and there was a hole in the ground and my left foot got stuck in it and I was still in motion. my ACL tore and my knee got dislocated.
That's like a career-ending injury, I think.
ACL is bad.
is like
ACL
you're
is
not
bad.
the same player.
ACL
after
ACL
that.
is not
For
very,
sure.
very
ACL
tough.
and-
Some people say that you can come back after ACL, but very
can never
tough.
be 100%.
Rafa came back. Nadal.
Yeah.
Nadal, bro. Class.
What's been your most what is something that a critic has told you which you've taken to heart, like, and you've like, fuck you, I'm gonna like show you, like something
There,
like
there
that.
was once they said that this guy, his strike rate is very low in T20 cricket. Only make him play one days.
Yeah.
I was like, what a stupid guy, bro. The team is anyway getting out in less than 20 overs. I'm the one batting for 20 overs, making sure we bat the 20 overs, and I'm still playing with 130, 140 strike rate. Saying no, you need to have above 150. I said okay. Then next tournament I batted 200 strike rate.
Wow.
8 games, 200
You
strike
took
rate.
it to heart, right?
हार्ट ले लिया जो भी ट्रिगर्स अच्छा हो गया वैसे
Yeah.
परफॉर्मेंस आ गई
Yeah.
It was actually one of the best months of my cricket 2022 qualifiers. I played really well.
Fair. What is your aim with cricket? अभी तेरा क्या plan है? Like you're playing like county cricket, T20s,
See now,
T10s.
now
क्या scene है?
the idea with cricket was always that I love playing it. I'll play it till I'm enjoying, till I'm motivated, till I'm enjoying the game.
Yeah.
After that, I don't see myself playing all for lot of years. जबरदस्ती नहीं खेलना मुझे. I want to play till I'm
जब तेरा
enjoying.
मन करेगा तब
तेरा
तक.
मन खेलूंगा. I'm that type of person. Otherwise, there's other things, yeah.
Yeah.
There's other things. You rather do something you fall in love with again. New thing.
Do you think?
New thing to challenge you.
Do you think you would want to be a coach?
No, bro. I don't have
Never?
patience.
No coach. Patience not.
Patience not there, bro.
Oh,
I my weakness is that my patience is not there.
Patience नहीं है. That's why strike
Patience.
rate is high, bro.
पेशेंस होना बड़ी एक आर्ट है ब्रो बड़े कम लोगों में क्रिकेट के साथ लाइक poise and
You
patience
think
and
Rahul
calmness
Dravid had the max amount of patience someone can have?
नहीं राहुल द्रविड़ के भी और भी हैं बट या ही हैड लॉट ऑफ
Like Pujara vibes.
पुजारा पुजारा बैटिंग करता बंदा सो जाता है
Bro, this man, how many there's a record, right? Like 63 balls he has played
No
or
runs.
something along those lines in a test match, and he has not scored a run. That's fucking 10 overs plus, bro.
And he's just like.
He's just defending, leaving, boring the fuck out of you. And
Dude,
he-
I think like after that, like I used to watch Test cricket before, and I'm like, मेरे से नहीं हो गया.
I love test cricket.
No man, I was not like.
but I personally didn't love everybody says the
No,
best.
I only love test cricket when it's played in England because the ball is swinging and like the conditions.
were you a
are
bowler
certain.
when you played
I was an all-rounder. I was an off spinner and pinch hitter at the end.
Nice.
That was this plan.
good plan bro.
No, so for Test cricket, I was like, मेरे से नहीं हो गया, bro. You know what I mean?
मैं
Like,
खुद
Yeah.
भी मैं दो 4-day मैच खेला हूँ official. We played 4-day matches, so they're first class matches. I played 2 first class matches, one against Namibia, one against Afghanistan. Against Afghanistan, I scored 81. That's my highest first class score. After that,
Sick.
UAE stopped playing first class only.
Oh, shit.
The 4-day format got cancelled.
They're more concentrated on the
T20
smaller
and
formats,
T20
right?
is so much more easier, man.
It's
Like,
easier to like,
so
and
much
the chances of winning are much higher. Like
easier
of an
nahi,
upset.
It's the most commercial format.
Yeah.
People love it.
Yeah.
So you have to give what the people love.
There's money in it.
पैसा जहाँ पे अब आप देखो T20 वर्ल्ड कप है कितना हाइप है.
Yes.
It's in New York, bro. It's
Yeah.
huge.
Yes.
You know the India-Pakistan
That's the thing.
game or whatever. So
Bro, so the scene is कि we are reaching the end now. ठीक है? तो मेरे को एक question पूछना है देखो.
पूछना भाई.
You have to tell me a moment where, like, however, whatever your development was as a person, as a cricketer, as like personally and as a cricketer, या तेरे real estate में जो भी है, can you tell me a certain moment that like changed your vibe completely, like
Like your whole
your
outlook on
your
things.
outlook on things has changed completely post a certain moment, or like कुछ ऐसा तूने add किया है which like changed the way that you look at things.
Yeah, I would say that मैं जब भी कुछ सोचता था ना जैसे कि like I was telling you guys about manifesting and stuff. Since IPL happened, now my life changed. I'll say that. That was a very big moment for me. Huge moment.
Yeah.
Because being the first one to go from the UAE, played for the UAE in the World Cup also. These are the things I always dreamt of. Yeah. Like I played in Australia, MCG में जा रहे हो, World Cup खेल रहे हो, like
That's the life, man.
this is the end goal, bro, for so many cricketers in the world, bro. आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्ल्ड कप T20 खेल रहे हो, IPL खेल रहे like they
Wow.
when I played the T20 World Cup I felt a satisfaction bro in my career कि मतलब यार
कुछ कर लिया तूने.
कर लिया
Yes.
कुछ.
That's fucking cool, man.
Wow.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Did you feel like you established yourself? Like
Yeah.
अभी मैं T20 player हूँ. Like
नहीं वर्ल्ड कप खेल लिया यार. वर्ल्ड कप इज
But like, what did it change for you as
Yeah.
a person? Like your thoughts when you accomplished
मैं देखो
that?
अभी
You were
asking
like,
you what
now
was
I'm-
inside your head.
Like, you know, were
Yeah.
you like, I've reached it? Yeah. So.
yeah you know you're always like fighting like ये करना है. That relief was there in
Like
my
you
mind.
reached the top of the mountain. Did you feel like that?
Yeah, for me, the mountain playing in the UAE was always, you know, goals were always going to be not कि मैं वर्ल्ड कप जीत जाऊंगा. मैंने ऐसा कभी मैं यार देखो अब आप बोलो कि अब मैं यूएई टीम के साथ जाके जिता दूं. कई लोग बोलेंगे चला तेरे को ऐसा सोचना चाहिए था तो शायद पास आता. मैं ऐसे अनरियलिस्टिक गोल्स नहीं.
Yeah, really.
Realistically मेरा था हम वर्ल्ड कप जाएं. You know I do well. I would have loved to score runs. We go to the next round and all that. See, everything won't happen to your. This is not a script you are writing. See, there's others' role in it. He's
I
also
think
there.
it's already written, bro. You're
It's-
just like playing the.
You're playing,
role.
but you can edit the script a little. You can make certain changes.
कुंडली में देख ले अपनी bro.
हाँ, वो मैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी काफ़ी बिलीव करता हूँ. मैं देखता
Same.
रहता हूँ.
Yeah.
वो आते हैं ना आजकल कि आप अगर 9 मूलांक वाले हैं आपका नंबर 18 है. वो इंस्टा रील्स में नहीं आते. यू आर नंबर 9, यू आर नंबर 18. आज आप ये खाएं, आज आप ये. मैं तो 1-2 बार करता भी था भाई. पता है क्यों? when you're going through a tough time ना आप हर चीज़ देखोगे.
You want to
try
change.
everything.
You want to try and change the energy around you.
You'll try everything, bro. When you're doing well, you won't care. But when you're not doing well, na, bro, whoever says anything to you, you'll be like, हाँ यार सच सही कह रहा है यार. Maybe I should try it.
Yeah.
कोई कहता है यार कुएं में मतलब ये जाके ना पानी दो. कोई कहता है इस मंदिर जाओ. You'll do everything, bro. You'll do everything. कि यार you don't want to leave any stone unturned. You won't try to focus on yourself or make yourself better. You'll do all these things and then get this thing satisfaction that I've done it. Now things will become fine. I've done it, bro. I've done it.
you're waiting
I know it. I've gone through that phase. I was like, I've tried to do all that. ये astrology कर ली, ये कर लिया,
सब कुछ time मार लिया.
सब कुछ
I
bro.
always look at those Instagram reels. मेरा number कभी नहीं आता है, bro.
हाँ?
You know those numbers of mine. Like,
मैं तो फिर वो main ना I open the account only and get my number because it's so intriguing, bro. Sometimes.
yeah.
Now we know what is algorithm looks.
One thing I would do is maybe I would have gotten into more meditation to become calmer and all.
Earlier.
Yeah, I want to incorporate that going forward. थोड़ी calmness आए आपकी body में, you know, a clear mind and all. Sometimes you're cluttered,
Yeah.
thinking about 10 different
Because
things.
you're doing two, 3 different things, right? Like,
Yeah, but some people have that ability कि जब ये कर रहे हैं यही करना है. You know what I mean? So you have that clarity or
But
that.
you have that support and like what your platform given to you by your parents as well, right?
Yeah.
Like that is a huge factor.
100%.
Huge factor, bro.
Yeah, but at the same time, bro, you're always thinking that if I'm not doing well in cricket, there was always questions. There, I'm not getting selected. It wasn't like I was the first one, you know.
Yeah.
There was always things, and you're like, यार चलो काम पे चल जाता हूँ. Because I had such an easy thing to fall back on, for me, and the people who are in this position, bro, when you have a second choice, you always feel like less motivated, na.
You won't do the first option. For
First
your
option.
Full,
Yeah.
This thing, ability.
So to do what I did, I'm not saying it, but I'm grateful यार कि मैं यहाँ तक आया हूँ, कि मैंने यहाँ तक किया. क्योंकि there was always ये थोड़ी था कि मैं अगर क्रिकेटर नहीं बना कि मैं भूखा रह जाऊंगा. बट जिसका है वो तो करेगा ही ना यार. वो तो क्या मेहनत कर रहा है, वो तो क्या दिमाग.
वो तो उसका सोल एम है, bro.
सोल एम ही उसका ये है, bro.
Yeah.
So I always had that thing to fall back on. I feel it's actually harder for those people, bro.
Yeah.
I could be wrong. No doubt, I have the resources and everything. ठीक है, a guy coming from a humbler background than me, maybe
Bro,
doesn't have the resources.
Yeah.
उसका बल्ला नहीं है, उसके जूते नहीं है, ये वो.
Yeah.
भाई ठीक है, no doubt it's not easy for them also. But for us also, bro, mentally always thinking यार क्यों मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ यार? Why am I struggling? Why am I धक्कों खावेंगे?
जब मैं
मैं खुद ही
जाके
जाकर
ऑफिस
कर
में बैठ
सकता
सकता हूँ.
हूँ. Yeah,
एसी के ऑफिस में जाके बैठ जाओ. क्यों मैं धक्के खा रहा था? If I didn't love it
passion,
or didn't mean anything to me, why would I do it? I did it because I went over that stage. I want to do it.
जिद है.
Zid there, and you need that bit of zid, yaar.
And that's a good thing because even if that you accomplish this, now that if you want to do something else, you know that you will do it because
I've done
no
it
matter-
before. I've done it before.
Because you've done it before.
That's a fucking mad note to end the podcast on, bro. By the way, thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you so much. I
बहुत
don't know
मजा
how
आया।
time went. मजा आया।
मजा आया था
बड़ी candid conversations हो गई
ऐसे ही
हमारी
है bro।
flow में चले।
कैमरा ऑन रख या ऑफ रख, conversation ऐसी ही होगी।
Yeah.
With me also it's the same.
Same, yeah.
Always.
That's the fucking shit, bro.
Thank you
That
guys.
was crazy, man.
That
Pleasure,
was
pleasure.
What's the Vibe, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow on Instagram. That's Chirag Suri.
Thank
He's
you,
gonna
guys.
help us get some Red Bulls over here later.
Yeah, I'll send them the case.
Case
बोल
आ
देना
रहा
अगले
है, case आ रहा है, guys.
case आ रहा है।
चलो, guys. Peace.